YouTube, and welcome back to Small Block Saloon. I'm Driver. Today we're going to continue working on our Wasteland project car, the Outrider Interceptor. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do today is we just got this package in, and it should be a generic exhaust kit. I just ordered off eBay. It's a pretty good price, like 65 bucks shipped. I don't even know how they can do that, but anyway, I'm going to cut it open and we'll see what's inside. Alright guys, so this is just a generic exhaust kit. I ordered off eBay. I think it was 2.5 inch. It's supposed to have some straight pieces, some 90s, some 45s. I don't remember exactly what it had in it, to be honest with you. I had looked at a few of them, and this was the cheapest one I could get quick. So well, it's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Probably out of frame, but it's got two straight pieces. Looks like they're 4 foot. Looks like 2 45s, 2 90s, and 2 U's. And another thing is, each end, it looks like each end's got one straight and one coupling. So yeah, pretty impressed. All right, well, let's get under the car and figure out how we're going to use some of this mess. Alright YouTube, so I got you in here about as good as I can. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see, but we're going to tack this stuff up a little bit. I got jack stands and ratchet straps and everything holding this how I want it. I'm going to get some good tacks on it, pull it out, weld it up good where I can get to it, and then yeah, that should be it, I hope. Alright, let's see. Let's go. Let's get into it. It's creaking and popping, YouTube. That means something's at a bind. Alright, what y'all think? Y'all think that's good? I think I need to get a couple more on this ball socket. If I can. This last little piece right here is that Mustang ball socket. It's a size smaller. I ordered 2.5. I should have ordered 2 1/4, I guess. I don't know. It's one size smaller. whatever it is. I ain't a muffler guy, so it's gonna be what it's gonna be. I don't know if that got it, man. I got it that time. Put a big ugly tack on it, but whatever, as long as it holds it right. Now here's gonna be the real test. This is gonna fall apart. No. She might be good, YouTube. I'm gonna get it out from under this car where I can get to it. As y'all can already tell, I ain't the world's best welder. But I'll get it out from under this car where I can get to it, and I'll make sure it won't I'll make sure it'll hold. It won't come apart. I'll cut you back on when I got something better. Alright YouTube, so here we go. We got both sides welded up, and they're pretty symmetrical. I can't believe it, but yeah, it ain't the best welds in the world, but they'll hold. I ain't never claimed to be the best welder because I know I'm really not good at it. I'm just barely adequate, but yeah, we're gonna get it under there and get it welded on. Alright guys, so I got everything welded up and got some hangers on. I'm gonna get you under there, try to show you what I got done. And I'm pretty happy with it. It's kind of tough. I don't have a lift, so, but there you go. You can kind of see. And up at the front, right there, I didn't weld it because I'm going to put a band clamp there. So if I ever need to get it off, plus I might change this to headers, and it'll just be easier to have it separate there if we got to, you know, get the header on and off or whatever. That'd be a good point for it. So I'm just gonna put a band clamp there. But yeah, exhaust is on. Okay guys, so another little fun thing we got done this week is we got that Cobra 29 mounted up, and it's actually working on the PA system.
You are now watching Small Block Saloon. Please like and subscribe.
So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the way that turned out. I made that mount. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's dark in this car. I made that little mount, and I got the speaker grill down just because I ran the antenna in there, but it'll look like this side over here. It's got a grill made. So yeah, I got the CB in, got the PA horn. I'll show you that. I got a PA horn mounted. Here's a PA horn, and I also got a siren, an old vintage siren mounted on top. So yeah, we're starting to get there. I know a lot of people have said, hey man, I'm ready to see this thing run, and believe me, I am too. But we just gotta be patient, man. I don't want to hurt this motor by rushing it. I still need to get all the transmission stuff connected. I need to get the radiator and all the coolant system connected, and as soon as we can run it, I will run it. It'll crank up, and we're gonna drive it around some, have some fun. So that's gonna probably do it for this one. Appreciate you guys watching. All that stuff everybody says at the end of the video is like and subscribe. I'm a small channel. If you make a comment, or if you know, whatever, I'm gonna see it, and I respond to 99.9% of all my comments. I want to hear the good stuff and the bad stuff. I got a new computer program I'm using. Before I was editing everything in my phone, and so hopefully these videos are going to be getting better. I'm trying to get better with filming. I know the last video was really bad, but I was really rushed, and I did most of it in my phone, so try to make a conscious effort to do better from here on out. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Later.